Mangalore University All College Students Union was inaugurated by P. Dayanand Pai, entrepreneur and syndicate member of Mangalore University, at Motikala Mantap on Saturday, August 30th morning.
Friends, you are the leaders, tomorrow's leaders, and the entire future of the nation lies in your hands. So always you must be, my desire is that always you must be successful in life. You must become big people, big persons in life. To succeed in life, always one thing I'll tell you, there is no shortcuts. To succeed in life, one requires hard work and a purpose in your mind. Always dream big. Success always comes twice, once in your mind and second time in reality. Unless you think big in life now, unless you dream big, you will never become big. I'm really telling you, always think that now only you think that I will become someday a big scientist, I'll become someday a big leader, I'll become a big engineer or a chartered accountant. Like that, today only you have to decide. Unless in your mind you know what you want to do, because life without purpose is just like a ship without a compass in the mid-sea. Ship in the mid-sea, if there is no compass, there is no direction. Like that, today only you must think that you must have an aim, you must have a purpose in life. Thinking big is not a sin, but not thinking big at all is a crime. So always remember to think big, and always after thinking big, always try to pursue it with hard work, with enthusiasm and a fire in your belly. You must always try to pursue and always see that whatever you aimed at, that you will achieve.
Ramakrishna Degree College Principal Navin Shetty administered the oath to the new office bearers. Ex-syndicate member of Mangalore University Ivan D'Souza, ex-president of All College Students Union Mithun Rai, ex-general secretary Dilraj Alva, president Satyajit Rai, vice president Mohammad Rauf, and general secretary Alfaz Baksh were also present on the occasion.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishes a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8, 42214-158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
Christian missionaries are not involved in any religious conversion in the country, but a conversion from social backwardness has taken place because of missionaries. If this conversion is condemnable, then every social service in the world is wrong, said Ronald Colasso, president of Federation of Karnataka Christian Associations, FKCA. Addressing the gathering at a protest meet organized to condemn the attack on Christians in Orissa by the FKCA in front of the Deputy Commissioner's office on Friday, August 29th, he said that instead of assaulting the pastors, Hindu fundamentalists who target the Christian missionaries should involve themselves in improving the living conditions of the downtrodden in India. The poorest of poor, in response to the help extended by their own Hindu brethren, would send back the pastors back and accept these fundamentalists, he opined.
We strongly condemn the murder of Swami Lakshmanand Saraswati and 4 of his associates. No man will accept this. As I understand, Vishwa Hindu Parishad is a credible organization representing religious group supposed to preach, teach principles of Hinduism, morals of Bhagavad Gita. But what is happening from some members of this Parishad? They are going and murdering the people. How they are reflecting or representing themselves to the mankind, forget about here, to the entire world. And what is there for them to fear? it is part and parcel of a large community, Hindu community, which accounts for 80% of our Indian population. And what are we? Not even 2.25% of the total Indian population? You go and show your might on those tiny numbers. You think that by doing this, you are exhibiting your heroism? No, no, my friends. This is not heroism. This is hooliganism, gundaism, terrorism.
Father William Martis, parish priest of St. Paul's Church, Balkunche, said, "Burn the churches, but do not kill the people. Churches can be built again, but the lives of those victims cannot be replaced. Finally, all the rivers of religion converge in the ocean. Better if the rivers converge with each other during the lifetime on earth before the final retreat in the estuary," he added.
ದುಷ್ಟರನ್ನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಿಸಿ
ಶಿಷ್ಟರನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿ
ದುಷ್ಟರನ್ನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಿಸಿ
ಶಿಷ್ಟರನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿ
ಬಾಳಲಿ ಬಾಳಲಿ ಜಾತ್ಯತೀತತೆ
ಅಳಿಯಲಿ ಅಳಿಯಲಿ ಮತಾಂಧತೆ
ಬಾಳು ಒಂದೇ
ಕೋಮುವಾದ ಅಳಿಯಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಒಂದೇ
ಕೋಮುವಾದ ಅಳಿಯಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ
ಮತಾಂಧತೆ ಅಂಧತ್ವದ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ
ಸಮಾನತೆ ಬಂಧುತ್ವದ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆ.
Father Alban D'Souza, parish priest of St. Jude's Church, Pakshukere, said that God will definitely forgive miscreants who kill the innocents in Orissa. But the nature will never forgive them, he added.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ ವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಯಾತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅನ್ಯಾಯ, ಯಾತಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳವರನ್ನ, ಆ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಅವರನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯ ಕಗ್ಗೋಲೆ? ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಪಾಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಯಾವ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? ಮತ್ಸರವ, ದ್ವೇಷವ, ಹಗೆತನವ? ಇದು ಅಧರ್ಮವಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾನವ ಧರ್ಮವೇ ನಿಜವಾದ ಧರ್ಮ. ಯೇಸು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯೇಸು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತರು ಈ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಬದಲಾಗಿ ದೇವರ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬಂದವರು. ಶಾಂತಿ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ನೀತಿ, ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧರೆಗೆ ಬಂದವರು. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅವರ ಅನುಯಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಇದನ್ನೇ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಯಾರ ಮನೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೀರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. ಅದುವೇ ಅನುಯಾಯಿಗಳಾದ ನಾವು ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನವನಿಗೆ ಮಾನವನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂದೂಗಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯರಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದೂಗಳಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಬೇಕು, ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನರುಗಳಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನರಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಬೇಕು. ಈ ದೇಶ, ಸಮಾಜ, ಕುಟುಂಬ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದುವೇ ಯೇಸು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತರು ಬೋಧಿಸಿದ ಮಾತು, ನುಡಿದ ಮಾತು, ನುಡಿದಂತೆ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಮಾತು.
Professor Rajaram Tolpadi of Mangalore University, Father Vinayalai Bangera, Father Francis Almeida, Vice Principal of St. Aloysius College, MLAs Ramanath Rai, Abhay Chandra, UT Khadar, and other leaders were present on the days. Meanwhile, the death of Swami Lakshmananda Saraswati and his 4 associates and all Christians who lost lives in violence which erupted after the killing of Swami, and Lieutenant Colonel J. Joseph of Bangalore, who died recently along Indo-Pak border while battling with the terrorists, was condoled. Arun D'Souza, Secretary of Konkani Yuva Avaz, and Vice President Santosh D'Costa compared the program.